how to do it with one of these HEPA filters that should both filter out particles and smells with the activated carbon filter. Now you can also do this with the Tesla filters, but these are not HEPA filters and you need to buy 2 of them. Now there's not a lot of maintenance to do on a Tesla, but I guess one of the biggest failures is the HVAC fan. If you don't replace this filter every 2 years and it clogs up, it puts a load on the fan, it can cause it to fail. So make sure to change these. So this is the filter kit that I went with. It has both the HEPA filter and the activated carbon. It comes with the trim removal tool and the wrench to remove the door. I'll put a link to this kit below if you'd like to purchase it. I used a similar kit on the Rivian and it's been working great. Okay, so the first step is to turn off your HVAC system. The next step is to push your seat back all the way on the passenger side, remove the floor mats, and then remove the trim panel near the center console using a trim tool. Now you'll see there's small white clips on the engagement points. Don't lose these, you'll need them later. Next, use the slotted side of the trim tool to disengage the push clips, and then you'll need to pull them out. Keep them in the disengaged position, that's how you'll need to reinsert them later. After you remove all the push clips from the upper panel, then use the pry bar to pop it out. I was able to place it out of the way without having to remove any of the wires. So next, use the Torx wrench to remove the screw on the bottom of the filter door. If you remove the filter door, you can access the filters. Now it's kind of confusing. They're stacked one on top of each other. So first you remove the top one by pulling the tab down and then pulling the filter out. Then you'll see the tab for the bottom filter. That one you're going to have to pull up and then pull that filter out. Okay, now let's see what the Tesla filters look like after 2 years. So there were some leaves in there, a lot of dirt between the pleats. And they're pretty yellow too, probably from all the pollen that we get around here in the spring. So yeah, they look pretty clogged up. Next, insert the new filters with the honeycomb carbon side facing you. And the tab should be in the right-hand side. You'll see that the first filter is below as I'm inserting the second filter and the tab sticks out for removal. Next, you're gonna reinstall the filter door using the Torx wrench. Make sure that you get the tabs for the filters back in there. You're gonna reinstall the upper panel with the push clips. Make sure they're in the release position when you're putting them in, and then close them as you place them in the panel. Lastly, reinstall the console trim piece starting from the front of the car. Make sure that you engage all the white clips as you do this. Okay, now we're done. It took probably about 30 minutes the first time doing this. Maybe you could do it in 15 the second time. Let's test out the HVAC system. I'm gonna put it in low, and as always, it takes it a second for the heat pump to fire up and then the fans start blowing. And it actually seems to smell cleaner. It may just be me, but the smell seems to be better, seems fresher. Now I have the fans on high, and the airflow is blowing well. I think it's even blowing more than before with the clogged up Tesla filter. Job's done, and I charged my Tesla. I'm gonna show you guys a little automation I did with Home Assistant. Check this out.
Tesla wall connector done charging. Total cost is $9.0. Thank you.
There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Tesla, Wi-Fi, tech products, Rivian, and C8 Corvette.